Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for Class 12. We'll cover a full guide to help you excel. Economics can seem daunting, but with a structured approach, it's entirely manageable. We'll break down the syllabus, discuss effective study techniques, and provide actionable tips to boost your understanding and scores. Get ready to transform your study habits and achieve your academic goals with confidence. For microeconomics, conceptual clarity is paramount. Begin by understanding fundamental principles like utility, demand, and supply. Spend ample time practicing diagrams. They are crucial for illustrating economic theories. Remember to label axes and curves precisely. Also, dedicate effort to solving numerical problems, especially those involving elasticity and cost functions, as they often carry significant marks in examinations. Moving to macroeconomics, focus on understanding the broader economic picture. National income accounting is a foundational unit, so practice its various methods diligently. Pay close attention to government budget and fiscal policy, as these topics often involve current economic scenarios. Money and banking, along with the balance of payments, require a clear understanding of institutional roles and policy impacts. Connect these concepts to real-world examples for better retention. Effective revision is key to exam success. Start revising early and consistently, perhaps dedicating 1 hour daily. Solving previous year question papers is invaluable. Aim for at least 10 full papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and time management. During the exam, present your answers neatly, using clear headings and subheadings. Always attempt all questions, even if you're unsure, as partial credit is often awarded for relevant points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.